So a little 5-minute update video on Hippo. Got it in the workshop, got it up the lift. We have the turbo completely ripped out. All the coolant stuff drained down. Oil feed pipes removed. Oh, you guys were right, it was the turbo. We've got a fair bit of play on that. Looks like we're missing some of the fins. The front doesn't look any better. The only difference is it's completely seized, won't spin. Looks like we need another turbo. So I've had this truck sitting for a while. It's just a parts truck. It does have a spare turbo, but I don't know if you can see this. One of the fins has a little bit of damage. There's a little bit of play, and we jump to the outside. It's got a bit of oil dripping out from one of the feed lines. So I think we're going to be safer just to order a new turbo. What do you guys think? Should we order a new turbo? Should we order a hybrid turbo? Or do we just use that turbo for the parts truck? What do you think? Poor Hippo.